Bonjour, we are looking at how to pronounce these French expressions. We'll be looking at how to say more French names and useful vocabulary as well. So that's a very interesting expression from French. It means my God. So it's like an exclamation, like oh my God. It's like OMG really. It's how it's used. Now let's see how it's pronounced. In French in France we say it as Mon Dieu. Mon meaning my, Dieu being God. Mon Dieu, mon Dieu, oh mon Dieu, oh my God. You might say oh mon Dieu as well. Oh mon Dieu or mon Dieu. And now, you know, did you get this? Let me know in the comments. More videos for you here to learn more useful French vocabulary and names. I'll see you there. Merci beaucoup. Thanks for watching.